Good morning, students. Let us continue with our chapter number 2, Introduction to GUI Windows 10. In our last class, we have read about GUI, Graphical User Interface. Yes, I told you what is GUI. GUI represent to Graphical User Interface, which allows user to connect to electronic devices through graphical icons and visual indicators. Today in our class we will learn about Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest operating system version from Microsoft. Officially it was released in 2015. Windows 10 combines the features from its two previous versions, from making it more user friendly for personal computers as well as laptops and the mobile devices. As I told you, it is the latest version of the operating system, and it was said by the Microsoft that it will be the last version of Windows, means after that not any other Windows versions will be released. Now we will read about the component of Windows screen. When we switch on the computer, Windows starts automatically and a welcome message appears. After this welcome message, Windows screen appears. This screen is known as the desktop. The main component, the first component is desktop. The very first screen which you see on the monitor after switching on the computer is called desktop. The Windows desktop is simply an operating system's main screen. Here you have access to any array of tools like the start menu, taskbar and other icons. Windows 10 also introduced a search box. Type here to search in the taskbar, which facilitate browsing both the computer and the web. Our next topic is taskbar. One of the most important parts of the desktop is the taskbar. By default, it sits at the bottom of the screen, but it can be replaced to any one of the four sides of the screen. Like if you want to drag it to your right, to your left or to the top of the screen, you can drag it out. It gives access to the start menu and several application icons, as well as the notification area on the right side of the taskbar. The notification area is located at the right side of the taskbar and it shows different types of notification on your computer, like your internet connection or the volume level, etc. At first, the notification area shows a limited amount of the icons, but you can click on the upward arrow on its left side to see the other icons as well. It will also shows the charging of the laptop's battery. Our next topic is icons. Small pictures displayed on the desktop are called icons. An icon is simply a graphic representation of an application or a file. To open or access an icon, just double click on it. Icon can also be moved around by clicking on them and dragging them to another place on the screen. Icons you can see on your desktops, the small pictures or the graphics displayed. These are called the icons. Our next topic is this PC. In Windows 10, the My Computer icon is called this PC. In last version, you can see on the desktop the icon My Computer. Now in Windows 10 it is replaced to this PC. It is very easy to add back. This PC in Windows 10 is an essential icon to access the local drives, USB disk, CD or DVD drives and other local files. Same as My Computer, you can see all the properties of your computer system in this icon, this PC. When you will double click on it, it will get open and it will shows you the complete property of your computer system.